hey McFly subscribers. So, I don't know if you can hear me very well, but I'm out of propane. Problem is, where I'm at, there is no propane delivery. Can't get it delivered. Really tough to move this thing. It would be an all-day thing to be able to try to move it and then get it back in here. And we got to fill up the propane tank because only 10 gallons about every 2 weeks. So I went to the store and they told me a little hack that I can do. So I can get the little 5-gallon tanks, fill them up, and then go take that to go get that filled up every week. Makes it a little easier because this is hardwired in. Right here is where my propane tank is, and I'll show you inside. Alright guys, so I'm sure any of you that have RV'd before, you know exactly what this is. They make a system that's about $75, and it's called the extenda stay. I went to a place, an RV place, and they handed me these two items, and it's pretty much essentially the same thing, only it cost me a lot less money. This part was a lot more expensive than this, but pretty much it does the exact same thing. It's just a hose, allows you to set a tank on the ground here. So, once you remove the cover, you're open up to the propane tank here. You gotta unscrew this. First off, you want to turn off your valve. That's turned off. Then you unscrew this, and then hook this up to this like so. Alright, well I got the right tool. So I loosened it. Should be able to do it now with this. I had to borrow it from the neighbor, and they were really nice to help me. Don't even need that now, actually. So it's reversed, by the way, the threading. So you actually, it feels like you're tightening it to loosen it. Getting this out of the way. Alright, you can see that. Same connection here. You just pull that out to the side. There we go. Alright, now, this, you need to leave this on while this is open, unless you've got the hose hooked up and into the propane tank, because otherwise, if this is full, you'll lose propane out of that. I gotta figure out a place to keep that, to keep it safe, but for now, it's going right there. Now I need to buy a propane tank. Well, okay guys, so I got the propane tank. It's nice. This one actually has, I'm not sure you can see it, but it has a regulator to tell me if it's full or not. So at least I've got that, because the problem I hear with this is you don't never know if this is full. I mean, you can feel if it's heavy. And excuse the background noise. Where I stay, they're doing construction. They're building a Porsche dealership next door, so it's a little loud. But anyway, really simple. Now, funny thing enough, this is not the reverse threaded. It goes the right way. So, all right. Let's open that up. Now I think you got to open this one too. Simple as that, hopefully. Let's go see if it works. Well, okay guys, I figured this is a good way to test it. If I've got propane now, this didn't work before, so I'm going to turn on the front. Now I don't have the lighter, the ignition, the self-start ignition doesn't work. But look at that, I got propane. I really should have used a longer lighter, but that's what I had, that's what I found. I need to try to get a better one for doing this, because the little self-igniter is not working, and these says light, but that doesn't work either. So, one part of the RV that doesn't work. Okay, guys, that was, you know, how to do that, and it seems like it works. We got propane now, yay. We can actually take hot showers. Are you excited about that? Yeah? Alright.
And I want to show you my rocks.
Oh, he wants to show you his rocks.
And these are good. I found this.
Yeah, well, you bought that. You found this one.
I found this one. And someone gave me this one. It's a butterfly one. And this is I bought it a long time ago, before we got this RV.
Alright, so, let me finish up, okay, bud? Alright, you say bye to him.
Hi.
No, bye.
Bye.
Alright, so guys, anyway, kid really had to be on the video. Well, anyway guys, so that's how you do that. Pretty simple fix. Really easy to add propane, and not too expensive. I mean, just buying those propane tanks, they're pretty inexpensive to fill. $14 now each time I fill it, instead of, I think the only place I was going to deliver was like $250, which is really expensive. So anyway, I will see you guys on the next video.